Welcome to ASI Agriculture Drones, your trusted distributor for advanced agricultural technology across North America. Today, we're unboxing one of the most powerful spraying systems in the industry. Inside the T100 case, every component is organized for fast assembly and maximum durability. You'll find the reinforced airframe, high-capacity tank module, upgraded motors, and the industrial-grade electronics that power this machine. Each part is built to handle long operational days, harsh environments, and demanding acreage. The T100 is equipped with high-output motors engineered to generate exceptional lift, even under heavy payload conditions. Combined with wide-span propellers and intelligent motor control, this platform delivers the thrust needed for both liquid spraying and granular spreading applications. Each motor operates with dynamic power modulation, meaning the drone continuously adjusts torque and RPM to maintain perfect balance in crosswinds, uneven fields, and variable terrain. The propulsion system is also optimized for energy efficiency, reducing battery strain while maximizing operational time. This combination of raw power, intelligent stabilization, and aerodynamic design is what allows the T100 to lift more, fly smoother, and cover larger acreage with absolute consistency. Included here is the high-capacity tank system, engineered for balanced weight distribution and smooth flow. The nozzles are designed to produce clean, consistent droplet patterns, minimizing waste and maximizing coverage. This generation improves efficiency, stability, and uniformity across large fields. The power distribution module ensures stable output to motors, pumps, radar, and onboard sensors. Advanced sensors enhance flight stability and obstacle awareness, supporting safer operation in diverse landscapes. These systems work together to keep the drone stable, accurate, and dependable. Once assembled, the T100 stands as one of the most capable agricultural spraying platforms available today. High performance, high reliability, and engineered for the demands of modern farming. At ASI Corp, we support every unit with logistics, technical onboarding, and expertise to help growers and dealers succeed. This is the Agras T100, built for scale, built for efficiency, and built for the future of agriculture. As the drone begins to ascend, the power of this platform comes alive. Every rotation of the propellers is calculated, balanced, and optimized to deliver smooth, controlled lift, even under heavy payloads. This is where engineering meets purpose. The T100 rises with confidence, stabilizing instantly as its intelligent flight system reads the environment, adjusts thrust, and locks into a perfect hover. From here, the drone transitions effortlessly into forward motion. Its high-output motors and wide-span propellers generate the thrust needed for long-distance coverage, while real-time flight control keeps every movement steady and precise. Whether it's navigating large fields, variable terrain, or changing wind patterns, this aircraft is built to maintain accuracy without sacrificing speed. The aerodynamic frame reduces drag, conserves battery life, and keeps the drone efficient through long operational days. Every sensor, every motor, and every onboard system works together to deliver consistent results, acre after acre, season after season. This is more than lift. This is controlled power designed for real farming conditions. At ASI Corp, we support this technology with national distribution, training, and hands-on expertise so growers and dealers can rely on every flight. From takeoff to landing, the mission is simple: higher efficiency, lower cost, and unmatched performance in the field. This is the Agras T100, engineered to transform modern agriculture, one flight at a time.